Hey guys,
This is Ral.
and Burns. Here's a peek into our life in Manila. I think this is one of our favorite Life in Manila vlogs yet, as it perfectly captured how we like to spend most of our time. Working out has always been a crucial part of our routine, especially for its mental health benefits. We also went on another grocery run to prep our meals for the weekend. Is it just us, or is doing the grocery one of the best parts of adulting? We sure do enjoy it. One of the things Ral really enjoys is cooking. I'll give it to him, guys. He's really good at it. We also went on a quick trip to Tagaytay to celebrate our super mom. We treated her to lunch at this viral restaurant where modern Filipino meets Carinderia. If you want to know what we thought of it, just keep on watching. Lastly, we finally tried to play pickleball. Safe to say we found a new activity we can bond over as a couple. With all that said, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog as much as we did. Enjoy!
Hey guys, it's a new week and we're back again in the kitchen and we are here to cook our food for the weekend.
So we went grocery shopping a few days ago for some ingredients kasi nag-crave kami ng Korean food. So yun yung gagawin natin tonight.
And we want a Korean cuisine kaya nag-isip ako ano mo pwedeng lutuin this weekend. So naisip ko something chicken and beef kasi hindi kami masyado nag-cook pork.
For the chicken, we're gonna make dak galbi. And if you guys remember sa Nami vlog namin, yun yung kinain namin for lunch before we headed to the island.
Hindi namin alam na dak galbi palang tawag doon. But we're going to make it mild spicy kasi medyo maanghang siya. So for the ingredients ng dak galbi, we will be using gochujang. So yun, Korean sauce na medyo spicy kaya uuntian lang natin yung gamit. No?
Yes, please. I don't like spicy.
Yes. Normally meron siyang rice cake at saka fish cake pero hindi na namin lalagyan kasi konting twist lang namin na medyo healthified at hindi masyadong macarby. Kaya ang ingredients lang gagamitin natin is cabbage and carrots.
Yes, but what is best paired with galbi?
Kimchi rice!
Yes! So that's what he's gonna make tonight. Siya
Yes.
lang talaga gagawa nito kasi siya ang cook natin.
Pero aside from the chicken, gagawa rin tayo nung beef galbi. So para siyang Korean barbecue but beef short rib Korean barbecue. So gawin na natin.
Try namin kahapon, minarinate namin overnight. Delicioso! Mashita!
Super sarap kagabi nung tinry kong lutuin. Nag-portion na ako para matikman kung enough to by marinade. Super sarap. Na, hindi ko na maantay. Tsaka hindi ka siya pwedeng walang kanin.
Yes!
Again.
Kaya nga, kimchi rice.
Yes.
Let's go! Luto na tayo?
Okay!
Go!
I'll start first with the chicken. I have here yung mga ingredients ko sa chicken. Dito ang ating marinated chicken. Gumamit ako ng garlic, ginger, sesame oil, and soy sauce for the marinade. Hindi na ako gumagamit ng salt kasi medyo may salty flavor. Kaya mamaya na lang to taste yung salt natin. Magsasaute muna tayo ng onions and garlic. Unahin ko na yung onions and garlic. Kahit sabayin ko na. After this, we can add the chicken. Lalagyan na natin chicken. Medyo brown ng ating onions and garlic. So, I'm using chicken thigh part para mas juicy yung ating black garlic. Masarap kasi mas juicy. Tinanggal ko na lang din yung balat para less fat. Okay, since halfway cooked na ang chicken, we can add gulay. We can add na the cabbage. So, ito na yung cabbage and carrots. Pati mag-add na rin tayo ng water for the gochujang sauce. This dish is also called a Korean spicy chicken stir fry. While waiting for it to simmer, mag-add na tayo ng gochujang sauce. I have here 1.5 tablespoon para mas measured yung ating gochujang paste kasi medyo maanghang to. Lagay lang natin siya sa gitna para mahalo na agad habang kumukulo yung tubig. Have to let it dissolve sa water. Tikman na natin. Sakto lang yung gochujang sauce na nilagay. Hindi siya ganun kaanghang pero may kick of spice. Kaya mo na kainin. Sarap.
Yum! Sarap! Parang ako nasa Korea. It's better than yung kinainan natin sa May. Nami. Wow! Chef! Can't wait to try. Chef?
Ito yung minarinate natin na beef kagabi with the galbi sauce. So, overnight ko siyang minarinate para mas malasa yung beef. We also used beef short rib para perfect siya for Korean barbecue or Japanese barbecue na lasa. Tingnan natin yung mushroom. Hindi ako normally naglalagay ng chive sa food ko kasi hindi ko siya gusto. Pero for this dish, mas masarap na may konting chive. Tapos na ako i-saute yung ating mushroom, onion chives, and garlic and onion. Tapos, sinet aside ko lang muna siya para lutuin natin yung beef. Hindi natin gusto ito masyadong ma-overcook para hindi ko lang tumigas. Guys, naku, naamoy nyo lang talaga ngayon. Yung pang sobra. Kung may Korean or Japanese barbecue. Mas maganda sana ito kung grill, pero wala kaming griller dito, kaya hanggang ano na lang tayo pa. Nandito si Muming katabi ko, siya yung nag-buffet.
Merong griller, hindi lang alam ni Moon.
So, kunya,
Fake news.
mag-pretend na lang kayo wala kayong narinig na may griller. Pero masasarap kasi kung grill kasi kung malalasahan yung pagkakagrill no, yung beef, mas masarap yun. So, gusto natin medyo magkaroon ng konting color to para mimik natin yung pagka-grilled look. I-add na rin natin ang enoki mushrooms. Kalat na natin sa ibabaw para maluto. Ooh. Taste test, sure. Hop. Hop. Nom. Patikman naman natin yung dry. Hop.
Has everything I love. May mushroom sa loob.
Okay, tsaka sila.
Yeah, the words. Sobrang umami.
Okay guys, so tapos na tayo with the beef and chicken. So ang gagawin na natin is kimchi rice. So ito na yung kimchi natin. Hiwain ko muna siya in 2 chunks para mas madali natin mamaya. Malinis naman yung kamay ko, so hilain ko na lang. So slice ko lang siya in 2 chunks para pagka hinalo natin sa rice, mas masarap siyang nguyain. Malinis kamay ko guys ha. Maliliit lang natin i-slice para mas mabilis kong manguya. Si Mumi ata hindi masyado mahilig mag-kimchi. Mahilig pala siya. Ay.
na-addict tayo sa kimchi, di ba?
Oo nga.
Iba-iba yung binibili natin.
Tapos na ako mag-slice ng kimchi natin. Isasotay naman natin yung bacon ngayon. Maglalagay lang ako siguro half portion nito. So isasotay ko lang hanggang mag-sweat yung bacon. Yung oil nito yung gagamitin natin pang ang gisa sa kanin. Before natin ilagay yung kimchi. Sarap. Pang naantay natin yung bacon, lagay na rin ako ng garlic bits para mas malasa yung kimchi rice natin. Add din natin yung kimchi. Samgyup. Yung pork. Masarap naman bacon para maiba lang. Then you can add a little bit of soy sauce para umami. By the way, we're using brown rice for the kimchi rice. Ganyan. Alagay ko na yung brown rice. Gagamit tayo ng seaweed for garnish para meron tayong added flavor. Puguntingin ko lang siya dito. Gusto lang natin. Yes, ang sarap. Ano? Kimchi rice. Okay, haluin lang natin. Okay na to. Okay, taste test! Siyempre, hindi ito pwedeng kanin lang. Kumuha tayo ng ulam ng beef curry. Titikman natin ito, turn na natin. Titikman na natin. Yung nagka-cameraman ngayon, ayaw niya pakuhaan ito. Kasi baon nga na for weeks. And hindi ko pa dapat kainin. Pero kailangan ko tikman. Siyempre ako nagluto, kailangan ko malaman kung masarap o hindi. Stick na.
May masarap yan eh.
Right. Naglalaway na ako. Bagay!
Siyempre, Korean ang Korean.
Harap! Eh, patikin mo natin yung dra.
Grabe. Kulang. Kulang yung serving. I need more. Oh. Mash it out. Ah! Guys. Siyempre kayo eat it. Hold ko nga. Aba! Aba!
So good.
30% na lang.
Hey
Hey guys! Good morning! It's already 9:20 a.m. and we're here in Chicks ni Ote to have Mother's Day brunch.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there!
Belated Happy Mother's Day to everyone out there, even the fur moms like myself.
We just ordered chicks na binalot. So I ordered grilled yampo.
I ordered chicken inasal kasi I saw the Google reviews. Masarap daw yung inasal nila dito as in bestseller. So we have that. We also ordered some vegetables like laing and ensaladang talong. Sila Dre umorder din ng liempo and of course si Mom Fish is life kaya fish ang in-order niya.
Medyo gutom na kami kasi wala pa kaming breakfast. So this will be our brunch.
This was also recommended to us. Masarap naman daw talaga. Tsaka ang ganda ng vibe niya. It's like a modern karinderya.
Yeah.
Ang ganda.
And advice dito, nakita niyo mo yung reviews online na dapat mas maaga kayo before 12 kasi medyo mahaba ng pila pag after lunch or during lunchtime.
I think this is also fairly new kaya ano pa siya. Andun pa siya sa peak na ang daming tao. Kaya yeah, agahan nyo or siguro later. They don't also accept reservations. Kaya first come first serve. Parking is also good. Sa harap niya mismo may 5 slots and then sa kabilang lot doon for the parking. So okay lang din. Of course, kasama namin sila Dre and Mom.
And later on, we're planning to play
Pickleball.
Pickleball.
We're gonna play pickleball this afternoon. Nagpa-reserve na kami yesterday and it's gonna be our first time. Good luck to us.
So tingnan natin kung matututo tayo kagad kasi it's like tennis and table tennis.
Na blown up.
Oo.
Na so laki. So that would be exciting. Excited ako doon. Okay guys, we just finished eating and super sarap ng food. Sulit naman siya. Ang laki nung chicken and liempo. May mga takeouts pa kami.
Yung in-order kong grilled yampo, sobrang tender ng meat niya. Medyo madami-dami nga lang yung tabang part, pero masarap yung timpla nilang marinade.
And then yung chicken inasal nila, yung timpla nila ang sarap. Hey guys, we're finally here at the pickleball court. It's already 3 p.m. and we have an hour to play pickleball. So good luck to us kasi it's our first time ever.
We have an hour to try pickleball, not play. First time ko maglalaro ng pickleball. Pero kanina may naglalaro sa kabilang court and mukhang interesting and mukhang dali lang. Tatry natin.
I feel like mas magugustuhan ko to than badminton kasi pag sa badminton talagang wala, nilalaro lang niya ako ng sobra. So dito, please naman, huwag mo akong patakbuhin masyado.
Let's see. Pero kanina galing kami ng Sherin, nagyaw-yaw kami. Hindi na kami nag-vlog pero medyo busog pa nga and inaantok ko sa sobrang busog sa kinain namin. Kaya tamang laro lang tayo ng pickleball.
Konting papawis lang.
Okay, let's go!
Okay, let's go! Hintayin lang namin yung equipments.
Okay, good. Thank you. Yun, no? Done,